Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 27th of April. And first of all, national news. States announced steps as India evacuates citizens from Sudan. Kerala may teach syllabus scrapped by NCERT, especially on Mahatma Gandhi. Lieutenant Governor approved creation of 244 principal posts in Delhi government schools. Why are you not listening to our Man Ki Baat? The protesting wrestlers asked PM Narendra Modi. India to work together with other countries to address energy, food security challenges. S. Jaishankar. India set to surpass China as world's most populous nation this month. United Nations. UK's first Jagannath temple received £25 million pledge. PM Modi set to attend G7 Quad summits in Japan, Australia in May. India's first woman Rafale pilot, part of Air Force team in France exercise. Cabinet approved setting up of 157 government nursing colleges. Minister can't file charge sheet without completing investigation. Supreme Court. Light rain in Delhi to bring relief from heat for next 6 to 7 days forecast. Supreme Court modified order on eco zones around national parks sanctuaries. And now some international news. Kyiv undermining peace attempts. Russia said after Zelensky Xi Jinping call. Zelensky China's Xi have a meaningful call first since Russian invasion. Ex-New Zealand PM Jacinda Ardern heading to US will join Harvard University. Now some sports news. Virat Kohli to continue to lead Royal Challengers Bangalore in IPL 2023. Quit international cricket. IPL franchises offered 6 English players with multi-million pound deal. Asian Badminton Championships PV Sindhu Kidambi Shrikant won and Lakshya Sen out. Now news related to business. Markets fall in early trade on weak trend in US equities, foreign fund outflows. Rupee falls 6 paise to 82.01 against US dollar. Adani Ports bond buyback eases refinancing risk, ensures liquidity. S&P Global Ratings. Now news from science and technology. Japan's iSpace said bid to make first commercial moon landing failed after likely crash. China unveiled plan to build Magpie Bridge 2 relay satellite system for space exploration, a report said. And that's all in news. Thank you.